All right, this is the Morisk, I guess, lighter repair kit, like everything you would need here. Comes in this cool little bit smaller than an Altoids tin. They say it's a 200-piece kit. I don't know if you get 200 flints in here or if there's 196. Plenty of flints. You get 10 pieces of cotton, standard cotton. It's actually folded cotton. I like that. You get 40 inches of wick. You get a little tool here to help you unscrew where you put the flint in. And I've actually replaced the flint on this one. It's been working great ever since. So let's do this guy right here. I'll show you how to do it. Obviously, you could use your standard screwdriver if you want, but they've given you this little tool to make it easy for you. I don't know how old this flint is. I already had a decent flint in there already, but I'll just show you on this one. Take your spring-loaded piece out, just drop the flint in the hole. Fits in there perfectly. Put your spring-loaded piece back in. Snug it down. I'm going to add a little fluid while we're here. I actually think I need to replace the wick on this guy, which I should do. Zippo back in, lock it down, and there you go. When you're done, just throw everything back in there, you're good to go. Nice little kit. Everything you'll need, and that's going to last me a really, really long time. There you go.